Today's video I'll be teaching you how to make your channel from this to this. This is how you can insert your social media links, your WhatsApp links to your YouTube homepage. So it will make your channel to stand out, to be of that of pro, to look like pro. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add these links to your homepage with a screen record. And this is one of the things you have to do in setting up your YouTube channel to make it stand out. So sit right here and learn how you can do this all by yourself. It is free of charge. So join me in this tutorial without wasting much of our time. Let's just dive into the tutorial. Here we go. So now welcome. Let's go to our YouTube homepage via the desktop mode that I told you about. You have to switch your browser to desktop site for you to be able to access all these things I'm about to show you. So now let's go to my YouTube channel. So here is it. Let it open. I'm running different channels on this phone, so it's kind of intertwined. So this is how your web browser, this is how the home page will look like. So now we are going to go on customization, which is here. No, that one I pressed on monetization. So we have to go on channel customization. Now what you will do first thing first is you see this link, this link here, this link here. You have to copy it. You have to copy. That's the first thing you will do. You copy it. Once you have copied this link, then you go to your browser. You minimize and go to your Chrome. You go to your browser. This is my Google. So you come to your browser like this. Then you will search YouTube link generator. Remember, you have to copy that first link that I showed you, this particular one, this one, this one. You have to copy it first. Then you go to your browser, you search for YouTube link generator. That's what you will search. YouTube link generator, that is what you are going to search. Then once you search it, you click on it. Then there are so many different YouTube generator sites here. Then let's click on this first one. You click on the first one. Then that link that you copied from that your YouTube channel, you paste it here. You paste it here. Once you paste it, you click on generate subscription subscribe link. You paste it. Let us generate it. Now it has generate the link. Have you seen it here? Here. So what you will do now is you click to copy. You have copied the link. Now go back to your YouTube channel, the home page. Then here you press add link. You add your link. You press add link. Then the interface here will come out here. Then here is the link title. Maybe the link title I might just say please subscribe. You get please subscribe. That is the title link for that link that we just generated now. Then what I'm going to do, that new link that I just generated, I will paste it here at the URL links. This is where that link that I just generated, this is where you paste it. Then you paste it here. Then for you to add your WhatsApp link to your YouTube homepage, this is what you will do. Then you click on add link. You see? Then you can write WhatsApp. Then you go to your WhatsApp. Pay attention. Then you go to your WhatsApp. You go to your WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. Once your WhatsApp opens, you go to your settings. Once you go to your settings, you click on this barcode, this thing that look like barcode. You click on this barcode, this barcode, that thing that looks like barcode. You click on it. This is if you want to generate your WhatsApp, your link, to put your link on your YouTube channel. Then what you do is just click on WhatsApp. You can send the message to yourself. Here I will send the message. I have to send the message to myself so that I can be able to get the link. Now, this is the link. This is I have gotten the link that I want. What I will do is I will copy the link. I've gotten my YouTube WhatsApp link for my YouTube channel. Then what I will do is I will go to that my the place I wrote WhatsApp. Then that link I will paste it here. You see, I have pasted my link there. As you can see, I have pasted my link here. So after you have paste the link, then you can add your email. You can add your email here. What's going on? So let me add my email. Which email do I use? Okay. You can add your email. The email you used in opening your YouTube, you can add it here. So let me use the email I used in opening my this YouTube channel. So this is it. After everything, after you have added your email, then you cross check. You can add as many links as possible with the same process. I'm just adding 2 links for this tutorial. This is where your description, you can just put in more description here. You can just tell more about your channel, about the niche you are. You can just say it here. You get, this is where you can put it, this description. So after everything, now you have to press save, because if you don't press save, you didn't do anything. So publish, you press on publish. Now everything is at its place. Now go to your channel. You go to your channel. Let's go to my channel so that we can see how the links are being placed. You go to your channel. Get, so now let me refresh it. Let me refresh it for you to see how the channel is. Now as you can see here, you can see the YouTube link, my WhatsApp link. You can see how it is. So you can do it on yourself. Just follow the steps I just showed you. It is very, very simple and it is very, very easy. So just watch this video very well so that you won't do any mistake in creating these links. So in my next video, I will show you more on how to customize your YouTube homepage to be that of pro. So this channel, I'm just using it for tutorial. So in my next video, I will bring out more lights for you to see how you can customize your channel to be that of pro. So stay tuned for more. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.